What is up, everyone? This will be a quick video of this Red KNU Skools pair that I got for a really good price. I'm gonna tell you the details. With Labor Day coming up tomorrow, there's gonna be a lot of sale out there. And what better place to find great sale is in the Vans outlet. And I'm hoping you all have one close to you. So this one I got for about 45 bucks because it was buy one get one half off. And I gotta tell you that besides the purple KNU Skools pair, this has to be the next best general release colorway out there. I really love the shade of red on this. And in my opinion, you really don't have to worry about this being dirty because if it does, it would definitely still look good. Before I forget, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. The bottom sole is the regular brown waffle sole. And if you already own a pair of KNU Skools, then you already know that this pair is very comfy. The linings are padded and made out of cotton. Now I want to show you when this pair is all laced up. But first, so is it just me, or the ASMR part of taking out the paper from the tongue on the KNU Skools is always satisfying? Okay, now that's done, let me show you the pair all laced up. What do y'all think? And do you own a pair of KNU Skools yet? And if you don't want to miss out on all the best deals and latest releases, make sure to follow me on both Instagram and Threads. It's Stan824. Leave a comment down below and share where you got your pair for a good price. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.